Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today I'm giving a plug for the grazing workshop that I'm going to be giving in Creemore, Ontario. And that's going to be on March 22nd on a Saturday from 9 to 5. And you got to sign up in advance. You got to register if you want to come. And there is limited seating. So I'm going to put down the contact information here where you can actually go online and sign up if you like. And they actually, if you get on this flyer, they've got the QR code below. You can load that on your phone. Anyway, I'm going to be covering a whole various group of different topics. It's going to be a one-day event, and hope to see some of you all there. Again, it's at Creemore, Ontario, and it's being put on by the New Farm Center. And yeah, it's going to be a good time. So I hope to see some of you all there, and look forward to going to Ontario, and maybe we'll meet up with some of you folks. I know I've got some followers there, and yeah, it'd be nice to see some of y'all face to face. Y'all have a good one. Take care.